So really the last thing, once you've done that, is to figure what's best for you. There's different situations for customers. So you may have a building out at a ranch that's a carport for your truck. You may not care how it looks in a couple years. And you may have other projects you want to do, so you really do want to save on price. And that couple $100 will make a big difference. And if the building fades faster, it won't matter. By all means, go with the lowest price. Just make sure you have a decent warranty in that. Now on the flip side, you may have a building at your house or a workshop or a barn or an office that's in a prominent location or next to your house that does matter, or it's your business and how it looks and how it holds up and how it functions, and if it leaks, those things are going to matter to you. Then in that case, it may be worth paying a little bit more to get a building of higher quality. So that, of course, decision will be left up to you. Just provide you some tips on how to get the best building for you, how to make sure the company stands behind it. We would absolutely love to see you at Lelands Metal. We have dealers all over the great state of Texas that can help you out. And we have a Facebook page and a website that we can answer your questions on. Call us, come see a dealer. We'd love to help you with your building, help you plan what the right building is for you, give you a quote, help you through the shopping process, help you design a building that's right for you, and then help you through the shopping process. God bless you and have a great day.